With hesitant breaths, Mark and Sarah continued their exploration of the haunted villa, their hearts pounding in anticipation. Every creak of the floorboards and flicker of the dim light heightened their senses. The camera, capturing their every move, acted as their lifeline in the eerie darkness. As they ventured deeper into the villa's shadowy corridors, an unsettling presence seemed to envelop them. Whispers echoed through the air, and a bone-chilling coldness sent shivers down their spines. They exchanged worried glances, questioning the decision to delve further into the realm of the supernatural. Yet, a persistent curiosity fueled the determination. They yearned to unlock the secrets that lay hidden within the villa's walls, to unravel the mysteries that had plagued them from the start. The camera's footage became the guide, offering glimpses into the unknown and stirring both fear and fascination. As they turned a corner, a flickering light caught their attention. Intrigued, they cautiously approached a partially open door, the camera capturing their every movement. As they peered inside, their breath caught in their throats. Before them stood a room bathed in an ethereal glow, revealing symbols etched on the walls and an ancient book lying on a dusty table. The air crackled with an otherworldly energy, drawing them further into the depths of the villa's dark history. With trembling hands, they reached out to touch the book, unleashing a surge of supernatural energy that sent shockwaves through the room. The camera captured the pulsating waves of light, their significance unknown but undeniable. Suddenly, the villa seemed to come alive. Shadows danced along the walls, whispers grew louder, and unseen forces tugged at their senses. They could feel the presence of something ancient and powerful, an entity that defied comprehension. Driven by a mixture of fear and determination, they pressed on, recording every eerie encounter and unsettling phenomenon. The camera became their anchor in the shifting realm of the paranormal, capturing the evidence they needed to expose the villa's secrets to the world. But as they delved deeper into the haunted villa's mysteries, they couldn't shake the feeling that something sinister was watching their every move. The line between reality and nightmare blurred, leaving them questioning their own sanity. The camera's lens revealed fleeting glimpses of apparitions, fleeting shadows that darted in and out of their vision. Each encounter sent a chill down their spines, intensifying the air of suspense that surrounded them. With every step, they could sense that they were drawing closer to a revelation, an answer that would shatter their perception of the world. The camera's footage became a tapestry of the supernatural, painting a picture of darkness and despair that was both terrifying and enthralling. As they reached the heart of the villa, the camera captured an ethereal figure standing amidst a swirling vortex of energy. It emanated a malevolence that seemed to seep into the very souls. Their breath caught, and their hearts raced as they stood face to face with a force beyond their comprehension. And with a chilling smile, the figure vanished into the shadows, leaving Mark and Sarah paralyzed with fear. The camera's lens trembled, capturing the aftermath of their encounter, the weight of the unknown pressing upon them. As the episode came to an end, the screen faded to black, leaving viewers on the edge of their seats. The haunting melody of the villa's spirits echoed in the silence, a haunting reminder of the terrors that awaited in the next chapter of their journey. Mark and Sarah's exploration of the haunted villa had taken them to the brink of their sanity, yet they were determined to uncover the truth that lay hidden within its walls. Little did they know that the greatest horrors were yet to come, and their quest for answers would plunge them into a world of darkness and despair.